Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. Welcome to our next lecture on befunky.com, okay, the online app that allows you to create awesome photos for your social media accounts, and not just for your social media, but also for your marketing campaigns, your email marketing campaigns, and so on. We have seen exactly how you can use the photo editor before in previous lectures, but now I wanted to show you guys how you can use the collage maker, which actually it's awesome and it's very easy to use. Okay, it's a great tool that befunky offers, and you can create instantly great images, okay, that you can post on your social media accounts, or that you can use in different marketing purposes. So if you are on the front page of the befunky.com app, you just go to the collage maker, you click on it, okay, and the app will load. Now you can do different stuff. For example, upload the images that you want. Okay, you just take the images, okay, and put them in their spaces for the collage. Okay, for example, you can select an autofill section, okay, to see exactly how it will look like. You can change anything between them, okay. You can change their spots, as you can see. You can edit their effects, okay. For example, the sizes, okay, you can rotate them, you can flip them if you want to, okay. You can open an image in the image editor if you want to, okay, and apply all the effects that you have seen in the photo editor, and that it's absolutely awesome. Now auto enhance, okay, we are applying the auto enhance, and now we are saving, okay, cancel, okay, cancel. Now we are back to the collage maker. So you can do different, you can edit each of the images that you have added to the collage, and that is the most important part. Now exactly how do you edit the collage, okay, to make it look in different shapes, okay, in different forms and stuff like that? You just use the bars, okay, you have here. It's very simple to use, okay, and you can give different types of looks to your collage, okay. You just use the bars, and with your mouse you just click and drag to the left, to the right, okay, upwards, downwards, and it will change the look of your collage. So this is exactly how you add collages, okay, how you add photos and you edit your collage. Now for example, you have different templates from which you can choose for your collage. You have the future, the grid. Let's choose the grid, okay, where you have different types and forms that you can use. Obviously you also have paid forms that you need to upgrade to the pro version to be able to use them. But for example, we can have a look at this one, okay, which absolutely looks awesome. You can edit it, for example, okay, you can edit each of the photos. You can set everything, the spacings, okay, between your photos, okay. For example, now you have like a more fresh look, okay, it's a more clear look, okay, it's not everything so crowded, okay, the elements are more spaced. You can add round corners to your photos, okay. You can do a lot of stuff. You can add even a background color, for example, okay, to your collage, okay. You can do anything that you want to. You also can add different patterns, okay, to your collage, as you can see, for the background. So this is very nice. You can add graphics, Halloween, okay. You can do like a greeting card. Maybe you want to do a greeting card, okay. So this can be awesome to create a greeting card. So this is actually an awesome software, as you can see. And also you can add the text function exactly as you have seen in the photo editor, okay, where you can type whatever you want and choose from different fonts, different sizes, okay, spacing, different spacing between, okay. You can align the text as you want to, choose a different color, okay, choose the opacity, the blend, okay, the blend effect. It can be more darken, okay, it can be a hard light. So you can do a lot. You have a lot of features and effects, as you can see. So the collage maker can be awesome. For example, if you want to if you have a business where you are organizing different types of events, Okay, maybe you want to post photos from an event and you don't want to post thousands of photos on which people don't even have the patience to go through. Okay, you make like 2 or 3 collage photos, okay, where you put the most attractive photos from the event, and that's how you market your event. Okay, that's how you get people's attention to that event. And for those of them who want to see more, you maybe create a separated album with photos. So this is a way, this is an example of how you can use the collage. Okay, you can do different types of ads. For example, you can use the collage function to create maybe an image for a Facebook ad, but an image that also promotes an event or something like that, where you need to insert different types of photos that send a message, okay, and underline your activity. So I think this can be very, very helpful. Okay, the collage function of BeFunky can be very helpful, guys. As you have seen, it has a tons of features. I will let you play with it and see for yourself exactly how cool this app is. Now, thank you for your attention, guys. You know already you are awesome, and I will see you in the next lecture. I send you my best wishes. Sorin here. Bye bye till our next lecture.